If you're using GetResponse and wondering how to set up an effective follow-up sequence, you're in the right place. But here's the thing, while GetResponse is popular, it has some limitations you should be aware of. So stick around, because at the end, I'll share an exclusive extended free trial to this and some even better alternatives for automating your email follow-ups. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, log into GetResponse and go to Automation. This is where you create follow-up sequences. Click Create Workflow, then choose a template or Start from Scratch. If you're doing a simple email follow-up, select the Welcome Message or Engagement and AMP, Retention template. But if you want full control, start from scratch. Next, add your trigger. This tells GetResponse when to start the follow-up sequence. The most common triggers are subscribes to list or clicks a link in a previous email. Drag your trigger into the workflow, then connect it to the first email. Now, set up the email. Click Send Message, then either create a new email or choose an existing one. Personalization is key. Use dynamic fields like first name to make emails feel less robotic. Also, test different subject lines. GetResponse has A/B testing, so take advantage of it. Then, add a delay. You don't want to send emails back to back or they'll feel spammy. Use the wait action and set it to hours, days, or even a custom time frame based on engagement. A good rule of thumb: 24 hours between emails works well for most sequences. Now, let's add conditions. If someone opens an email but doesn't click, you might want to send a softer follow-up. If they click but don't convert, maybe send a different offer. Drag the if/else condition, then branch out emails based on behavior. One thing GetResponse struggles with is advanced segmentation. While it does offer some conditions, it's not as intuitive as other tools. You'll often need workarounds to get granular targeting. Next, test your sequence. Before launching, use the Test Workflow option. This ensures everything triggers correctly and there are no gaps in your automation. Finally, activate your workflow and monitor performance. Go to Reports, check open rates, click-throughs, and conversions. If certain emails underperform, tweak the subject line, CTA, or send time. Now, while GetResponse is decent for basic follow-ups, if you want more flexibility, better automation, and easier segmentation, there are better options. I've linked an exclusive and AMP, extended free trial to the software below, but I've also included alternatives that work even better depending on your goals. These trials and benefits are only available through our link, so check them out and find the best tool for your needs.